For centuries, Polynesian voyages across the ocean have been admired as an incredible feat. Expert navigation and knowledge of the sea are considered to have played a crucial role in these voyages. However, new studies suggest that the weather may also have influenced these journeys. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Your support is essential to keep creating more interesting material about history and science. Let's continue exploring together the fascinating world of Polynesia and its climate. A new study has reconstructed how the rains in the South Pacific have been redistributed over the past 1,500 years. This climate change may have created different conditions between the western and eastern islands. This phenomenon coincides with the Great Expansion towards eastern Polynesia. The South Pacific Convergence Zone is a strip of intense rains that plays a key role in the global climate. Its location determines the distribution of rain, which is vital for freshwater and agriculture. Changes in this zone can drastically alter the regional balance. Climate simulations have shown that, for approximately 1,000 years, the Western Pacific has been losing rainfall, while the East has experienced an increase in rainfall, indicating long-term climate change in the region, which deserves special attention. Between 1,100 and 200 years ago, the rain zone gradually shifted to the east. Regions like Samoa and Tonga began to experience drier conditions, while islands like Tahiti and Nuku Hiva became more humid. This change was not sudden, but a sustained trend. To understand this past without weather seasons, researchers have resorted to the waxes of the leaves of plants. These waxes retain chemical signals that reflect the amount of rain at the time the plants lived, thus offering a reliable record of the ancient climate. The analysis of sediment cores in Tahiti and Nuku Hiva allowed scientists to study hydrogen isotopes in waxes. Thanks to this, they were able to estimate whether the climate was wetter or drier at different times in history. The results are surprising and revealing. The data show that eastern South Pacific has been experiencing a trend towards more rainy conditions for 1,000 years. This information aligns with other environmental indicators, suggesting that it is not an isolated data, but part of a broader pattern. When comparing the new data with other climate records in the Pacific, scientists found a consistent pattern. The west becomes drier, and the east moister. This phenomenon is not only local, but reflects significant regional change. This long-term climate change has had a significant impact on ecosystems and the availability of freshwater. Human societies have had to adapt to these changing conditions in order to survive and thrive in the Pacific. Understanding how the ocean has reordered rains in the past can provide valuable clues about the impacts of global warming today. The past helps us anticipate the future challenges that the region will face.